Hey, how's it going, you guys? In today's video, we're going to talk about fuel system treatments. Um, there's really there's a couple ones. Okay, there's one that you pour into your gas tank, um, and then you do this about every 5,000 miles, every oil change. And there's an induction service that you put into one of the airports, and it's like a full. It's usually a three-step service. Sometimes there are two steps depending on the vehicle. If it's a turbocharged vehicle, it could be a two-step. But these services, if you're having issues with gas mileage, I would highly recommend you look into one of these. The top one is more of a maintenance thing as you're going on. So it's not, you won't notice an immediate impact. But this one, the induction service, you will. Um, if you want to do it yourself, go to the parts store and find a good induction kit. Ask whoever there, and then they'll point you in the right direction. I'm sure you can find one online too. You can also find one of these pouring gas tanks anywhere. If you go to a shop, they'll probably charge you $150 to $250, somewhere in that range. That's a pretty standard price. So like shop rate is again 100. So 150 to $250. This right here, probably $10 anywhere at the store. So this, you'll see immediate impact. If you don't feel comfortable doing it yourself, go to a shop. Um, I recommend you do one of these services once a year on your vehicle if you drive anywhere between 10 to 15,000 miles. Um, and this one up here, I would just do it every 5,000 miles. Once you've done this, then you can start doing this, and you'll notice a big increase in your fuel mileage. And it also helps clean your fuel injectors. It helps clean your valves. It does a lot of great things for you. It prevents problems in the future. If you found this video useful, please hit the like and subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.